It's Morning Edition. Now, for those who may be new to Morning Edition here on WHRV, first we say welcome. Secondly, Thursdays are can-do days here on the show at this time. And what is this? This is our weekly rundown of area events happening in southeastern Virginia. Something we started a little over a year and a half ago. And we asked you to send in your events to us, tell us what's going on, and we'd let people in the region know so that if they're looking for things to do on their weekend, we would provide that list of things they can do. Joining us, as always, to help us out with the list this week, Kata Plus is back. Good morning, sir. How are you?
I'm okay. Just give me a couple minutes to defrost.
No kidding. How cold did it get at your place?
I think around 32.
I had 26 the other night, and that's not trying to compete.
No, you got it. You win. I don't want to win that. I don't want to win that game. No, I'm good.
And it's one I don't want to win either. But as we kick off this week's list, I'm a little confused by this first event you have, because you said this isn't for everyone, but you wanted to let everyone at WHRO know and all the other media places in town.
Yeah, Chuck. So keeping in the cold weather here, we had Disney on Ice. What was it, 2 days ago, Wednesday? So now we have behind the scenes on the ice, and this is media only. This is going to be Friday, December 6th at 6 a.m. Media participants can even try their hand at skating. So I figured this would be a good event for you, Chuck, seeing as how young you are.
No, I'm a fall risk, my friend.
Got you. So we'll have the Tylenol and the Advil ready.
And paramedics if it were to be me, but I won't be doing it. But we wanted to put it out because they said, hey, we're inviting influencers, people who host podcasts, that kind of thing. So if you're interested in that, you can contact them down there. Next up, what do we have going on? This looks like an interesting one.
So next up, we got Linguistics in Action Symposium. This is going to be Friday, December 6th. And it's going to be 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. It's going to be over at the Webb Center in Old Dominion University in Norfolk. Now, explore how language shapes identity and reflects the history and culture of Hampton Roads. This free event features co-hosts of the local podcast Languaging in Hampton Roads.
And Saturdays we run Away with Words here on WHRV, which is a whole show based on linguistics, and it's a runaway hit. So this is probably going to be a really great time for those who are interested in that sort of thing.
Definitely sounds like fun. So 2 events for you, Chuck. You're going to be ice skating,
no,
and
I'm
then
not.
you're going to be using your linguistics on the
No. All right. Next, for something completely different. I guess this is a family-oriented thing, or who knows? It could be date night.
You got Lather Up, soap making for beginners. This is Saturday, December 7th. It's going to be 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. It's going to be at Sugared Mango over in Virginia Beach.
Cool.
Learn how to make handmade soaps using skin-safe ingredients. Create soap bars in class and take them home, along with the skills to make thoughtful gifts. Supplies are included in the $50 tuition cost.
Awesome. All right, so next I'm seeing holiday event.
Yes, more cold weather fun. This is the annual holiday tree lighting ceremony. I assume it's going to be outside. It's 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. It's going to have a drone show along with it. The tree lighting is 7 p.m. The drone show is 8 p.m. Now, this is going to be at City Center in Newport News. So come on out and celebrate the season with live music, carnival games, holiday decor, food vendors, and the lighting of the City Center holiday tree. The evening concludes with the dazzling drone show lighting up the night sky. Admission and parking are free. Our favorite words, free, free, free. However, food vendor prices vary.
Excellent. All right, one more event to talk about. We got to hit Second Sundays, which is happening up in Williamsburg as well this weekend. Kata Plus, what is happening at that one?
Enjoy more than 6 blocks of artisans, live music spanning various genres. Then we got some family-friendly activities. Let's see what else. We got food trucks. We got a beer garden with wine. We got cider. We got a fun, family-friendly festival with something for everyone.
Excellent. And as we run out of time, there are so many events that we get in, and we can't possibly get to them all in one segment once a week on the air. If you'd like to get them emailed to you, just go to our website at whrv.org and sign up for the WHRO newsletter. It's right over on the right-hand side. Click the button. Once you're subscribed, you will also get weekly a complete list of all of the events that we will be talking about and the ones that couldn't fit on the air for Can Do. So, till next week, Kata Plus, stay warm. Thank you so much for stopping by, my friend.
Later, guys.
This is WHRV's Morning Edition.